How to set a song as your status on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. You can take photos and videos from here to share with your friends. On this screen, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. Now tap on the music icon from the edit options available on the right side. Here, you can explore and view all the available artists and sounds available on Snapchat. Select a song that you like and then tap on Next to add this song to the video. Edit the length of the music and then tap on the tick button beside. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Save icon to save this video to your phone. Then go back to your main menu and open up the WhatsApp application. You will then be taken to the WhatsApp chats page. Here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Updates. On this page, you can add a status as well as view your friends' statuses. Now tap on Add Status. Here, select the video you just saved and then tap on the Send button below. You have now successfully shared this video as your WhatsApp status. Following these steps, you can easily set a song as your status on WhatsApp.